Hey guys, today I want to bring you this awesome product I just picked up. It's this digital tire inflator. Nice thing about this one, it's compact, does a great job, has a feature where you could set it and it'll automatically air your tires up to whatever you set it to, which is nice. So you don't have to, there's no guesswork involved. Let me go ahead and open this up and show you guys what you get with it. Okay, so inside the package, you get the unit itself. You can see it's nice and compact. You get a couple of extra accessories, little nozzles so you can blow up like balloons and inflatables for the beach, all that kind of stuff. Goes into the outlet in your car. Has a little LCD screen here, which is nice, and it also has a light on this. I'll show you, which is nice if you have to do this at nighttime. Definitely good to keep in your car. You never know when you need it, especially in the winter time. You know, your tires lose some pressure. Nice to have this to get them aired back up. So let me go ahead and show you here how easy this is to use. So here's the unit itself. All you need to do is click the accessory mode on here. So get this going. And they give you a long enough cord here so you can do all 4 tires. So that's nice, of course. So if you see here, the front left is low. And it's just started dropping temperature here. So this, you guys will notice, they fluctuate a lot when it's cold especially. So I'll go ahead and air that back up. So very simple here. You're just going to plug this into the outlet in your car. Okay, this one's in the center console here. You see, nice clear screen on it. Nice little handle. It's not big, so you could easily keep this in your car at all times. So plenty of cord here. I have it hooked up. Now, you want to make sure it's on PSI, and you're just going to set it to what you want. So I want 32 PSI. So you put that, and then you're going to click the on button. That's all you do. This will automatically air it up. You can see it here, it's climbing. So it's a really nice feature. And what happens is it'll go like a half pound over. And what that does is when you disconnect it, it drops it back down. So I shut it off too soon here. 32, which I shouldn't have done because it does it automatically. See how it drops it down? So what you want to do is just leave it on. I'll turn it back on here and it'll automatically shut off at the proper PSI to what you set it at. So like I said, I did 32, so it's going to run. Okay, then you'll hear it kick off. That's all you do, see? You're done. So then you can turn it off, disconnect it here, and then you can use a gauge if you want to check it. I'll take you back inside and show you what the screen shows since it's still in accessory mode. So I'll toggle through this. Okay, right there, see it? So it's right back up where it should be. Very nice to have. Like I said, especially in the winter, tires will fluctuate. You don't need some big old air compressor to do that, or those old-fashioned ones. And I'll show you here, see the light on it? Super bright. It's a nice feature if you're doing this, like say a road trip and your tires go low at nighttime. Nice to be able to see what you're doing. Like I said, for the amount this costs, it's inexpensive. Does a great job. Look how fast I aired it up. I would highly recommend everyone keeping this in their car. It's because when you don't have it, it's when you know you need it. So I always keep this in my car. So if I'm not close to home, or if you don't want to have to go find a gas station, it's a lot of gas stations charge for air now. This is an easy way to go. So definitely check the link in the description, guys. You'll really like this one. The compact size of it and how you can just set it to what you want, let it run, then it turns off by itself. That's a great feature. There's no guesswork involved. So Like I said, check the link in the description. Pick it up from Amazon. Great deal right now. Let me know what you guys think. I appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks again, everybody.